How's it going, YouTube? This is Levi from Bayfoils, and today we're going to talk a little bit about the super sweet sale that is happening on Fliteboards. So if you are not aware, Fliteboard has been absolutely crushing it with the new Fliteboard Air. So much so that they are running out of boards. If you want to get a Fliteboard Air, you're looking at least a 3-week delay right now, just so that they can get the configurations received from their shipments and sent out to their clients. That being said, if you want to get an efoil sooner than that, they have plenty of stock on their hardboards, and they're actually doing a sale to encourage people to make that upgrade. If you see on their website here, save $500 off of any fiberglass or carbon pro or standard efoil. So you can see here, normally if you were to buy a fiberglass setup, like the base price is $9,000, but right now it's $8,500. Super sweet deal. Normally it's like $2,000 more than getting that new Air, but right now it's only $1,500. So if you want a Fliteboard right away, we got Memorial Day less than a week away. If you need a board for Memorial Day weekend, you're probably not going to get an Air, can get a fiberglass or carbon board. And so to kind of piggyback on this announcement, just want to take you over to Bayfoils our website, and we've got a sweet new e-commerce widget happening. So you can click right here and reserve your board, and it's going to take you through this nice configuration widget where you can pick all your options and buy online. This is really easy. All you got to do is pick what board you want first. We're going to go with Salt Brush Fiberglass Pro. We're going to go with black prop and guard because I think that looks cooler. 75 centimeter. We're going to go with a slow charger, and then just standard cruiser and 290 stabilizer and a Flight Cell Nano. Boom. We scroll down and you can see here 85. Oh, let's move the camera a little bit. Boom. 85.95. We can see here in our cart, we got all the components we need for our system. And then one thing to keep in mind too, we are a small business. So for credit card purchases online, we do take a 3% processing fee. You can avoid that fee by paying direct ACH deposit or a cashier's check that you mail to us. We want to help our customers avoid fees. So if you send it in a way that we don't have to pay fees, we don't transfer those fees onto you. If you do want to take advantage of, Amex reward points or something and use your card through Shopify, we do have that option here. And then obviously, last but certainly not least, you want to pick your shipping method. If you're getting a full setup, make sure to check LTL Freight. Otherwise, we do offer local delivery in the greater Bay Area. I'm fine driving out to Sacramento or something, meet somebody halfway to get them their set if they're local, and go from there. On top of having the builder for the Memorial Day sale pricing, we also have our standard builder for both regular boards and the new Air configuration. So if you head over here on the top of our website, Fliteboard, Flight Air, and then click the Build Yours Now bundle, you can see it's going to do the same thing and walk you through building your Air setup. So I want a Pump Mellow Pro with a Nano. I want a fast charger for this one, and we're gonna go with same thing, prop and guard black because it's cool. But I want to add on, let's do a Flow 1100 with a Flow 245. Same thing, add to cart, and it's gonna add that new. I have stuff from my last configuration. But you see it'll automatically add everything to the cart and then apply that bundle discount that you get when you buy everything together. So pretty cool. We have this live on our website. So if you want to get a regular Air setup, or if you want to take advantage of the Memorial Day discount, you got your links there. If you have any questions, you can also email us and we can build a setup for you and just email it to you that way. But this is a cool option if you want to kind of look at the pricing for everything. Our goal this year is to really get as many people out on Fliteboards as possible. I know the best way to buy is going through your local partner, but if you have no local partner and you're shopping online, we're out here helping people make those decisions. So if you have any questions about what rig to get, what's going to be best for your use case, reach out to us. info@bayfoils.com. You could also text us at 415-295-2925. We're here to help people make their purchase go smoothly and make sure they get the right configuration that's going to be great for them, and just overall have an awesome summer. Please like, share, subscribe to videos, and we'll see you in the next one.